Any questions, any doubts, don't hesitate to ask, because here you came for learning. Learning is the first thing. Without learning you can't move to any of the organization, because all these are all, basic mandatory thing, right? Because once you onboarded to any of the organization, you should start working on it. Without understanding these tools and technologies, you can't work, you can't handle the DevOps activities. So first and foremost, you should be more interactive in the class sessions. Any doubts, anytime you can stop and you can ask. Don't hesitate to ask. ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಇವ್ರೇನ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಿಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ just think on your side. You came here for learning. ಯಾರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, you can ask your questions whatever you need. No, 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 it's installed
Okay,
right
okay,
already.
installed. Okay,
Yeah, cancel. Yeah, it's installed. How will you validate? Just go to any of the folders. Then just do right click, go to desktop or
yeah.
anywhere you
Desktop. It
can go.
seems to be not there. So
No, 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 just
minimize.
yeah, just minimize, right click, just do a right click anywhere. You will get a few more options.
Okay.
Yeah,
Which
git
one?
bash, right?
Bash here, no?
Yeah, before that, just to
Oh,
make sure
sorry.
that create one folder. No, it's okay,
Uh-huh.
fine. Otherwise, it will consider the complete desktop is a workspace. Create one
Okay.
folder,
Uh-huh.
then open that folder. Just give some random name or anything, it's fine. Double click, then here think that this is your workspace now. Because by using Linux commands, we are creating some files, we are creating some folders, we are deleting all those things, we are doing it right with respect to Windows, because we want to familiarize with the commands. So always make sure that you should have your own workspace. Don't include any drives directly. So make sure that first create one folder, then get inside that folder, do a right click, then git bash here. Right click, git bash here.
Get back.
So that means it will open the terminal on this particular folder. Now this is your workspace, this is your terminal. Now we can run any commands. For example, pwd. Yeah, run that. Say pwd is nothing but present working directory. Right now you are C drive, under that users, under that some particular username, then under that desktop, under that you have a git folder, inside that you are, it's locating where you are. For example, graphical user interface, if you double click C drive on top toolbar, right? If you go to the C drive or any drive, no, GUI,
Geo,
not
है
here.
ना?
Oh, yeah, no, 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 don't type anything, I'm just asking. Open the C drive folder.
Okay.
Yeah, C drive, right? If you observe here, you have toolbar. Can you click that under drive tool? Go up, go up, up. You have toolbar, right? This
Yeah.
PC local bracket C
This
above.
one. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So little bit right. The cursor should be right. Click. Yeah. See? C colon slash. This is your present working directory. If you click any folder, for example, program files, double click. Yeah. Now if you go there and click that, that's your present working directory. See? C colon slash program files. Similarly, in CLI, if you run pwd, it will give you the present working directory. Understood? In the graphical user interface, we'll able to know that okay, where I am. But if we want to know that okay, where I am presenting, where I am working in the Linux, we'll run pwd command. Similarly, we'll learn all from the basics. Okay. Have you understood how to install Git on Windows and how to use it?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow onwards, so we'll learn the commands. Okay. Once we whatever the commands which I'm showing on daily basis, you can also practice in your laptops. Clear?
Sure,
You
sir.
can stop sharing your screen.
Sure.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I'm having Linux. Can I use that?
Yeah, if you have Linux platform already, virtual
Uh,
boxes, which is already,
uh,
for other usage you have created, right? You can use that
yes.
boxes.
Okay, sir.
If you
Okay.
have Linux, you can use it. No need to install Git. If you have Mac
Okay.
OS, if you have Linux, which is already inbuilt, because a few of the laptops which is inbuilt Ubuntu, right?
Hmm.
You can use that terminal
Okay.
directly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Those who are not having this Linux platform, just install Git. Okay. So, any other questions? Anything which is not related to this? Any questions you can ask? Because for the first to build the rapport, I know this is for new for everyone, but don't hesitate to ask anything. If you feel that it's a stupid question, also you can ask it. But
So
one
one thing.
entity, yes.
Yeah, sorry for interruptions.
No, no,
Continue.
no, no. You can continue.
Yeah, thank you. So it's the same commands which we are using in like Linux. So are we
Mm.
using in the same this Git bash?
Git hash.
No, no, Git bash, the one which we have open now.
Yeah, 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 same. See, Git bash is nothing but that's a Linux terminal.
Okay.
Okay. It will supports all the Linux commands, but few of the commands it won't support. Like SCP commands and all, because it's having very limited access, right? Because on top of Windows we have installed, but pure Linux system it will always operate with all the commands.
Okay,
Okay.
sure, sir.
For
Thank you.
example, I have sorted it out more than 120 commands. Okay. Very small commands also it's considered. Okay. So out of 120, 20 commands won't work in Git. I mean, on top of Windows in Git bash. That 20 commands you can execute once we create the AWS instances, that is AWS servers. Okay. But rest of 100 commands you can execute on your Windows system.
Okay,
Okay.
sure, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Clear? Any questions? Anything which we need to discuss?
Sir, is it possible to start the session little bit earlier? Like I'm
Yeah,
having office at 9.
yeah, 9:30. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
See, this week we'll stick with the 7:30 time, but 7:30 to 9:30 only the slot, because if I
It's okay.
start 7 also it's too early. You are having office at 9:30.
Ah, yeah, 9.
Is it work from office or work from
I
home?
need to go to office 5 days.
Okay, how much time to travel from your home to office?
Like it takes 10 minutes, 10 or
10 minutes.
15 minutes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. But maximum early means 7:30 to 9:30. Um, but you should make some arrangements maybe next onwards, at least at last sessions. Maybe you should travel bit earlier. I don't know, because it's nearby, right? Make it,
Ah, yeah,
uh,
yeah.
yeah. Okay. So, any other things which we need to discuss? Any other doubts? Any clarifications? No?
Is there any prerequisites to learn AWS, like computer networks or something like server?
As a prerequisite, we won't expect anything. You should learn earlier. If you want to learn, that's very appreciable. But anything you can learn it. We are not restricting here, because On daily basis we'll make this lab and will teaching you with respect to the theoretical and the practical scenario. With respect to AWS also, we are covering maximum services, but with respect to networking part we won't deep dive. But the main overview part we are learning it, because as a part of creating of the infrastructure, we are learning it, but not in the network administration level. Okay, if you are learning, that's your curiosity and your advancement that will be used for while during the profiling. But as a prerequisite, I'm not expecting anything from your side. Whatever the topics which I'm covering on daily basis, just practice that. That will be a more sufficient. Okay.
Sure, sure. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay then. So we'll continue um, the rest of the things from the tomorrow. We'll start understanding about the Linux commands from tomorrow. Okay.
Sure.
Okay then. See you tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Excuse
Thank you,
me,
sir.
so
Yes.
for tomorrow also we are gonna join the same class, or
Yeah,
will
yeah.
they?
Now onwards, the complete DevOps program will be in the same meeting ID. Okay, this
Okay.
meeting ID 24/7 it's open. You can utilize anytime, but the class sessions will be conducted on 7:30 to 9:30 or 8 to 10. Okay, that will post if any time fluctuations will intimate you before one day prior.
Yes. Thank
Same
you.
meeting ID. Okay,
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.